what's going on? I hope everything is going to be well and fine. After a very long time, welcome back in Dare to Shine. And if you're new here, I'm Nikita, serial qualified, and today we're going to talk about productivity hacks. I picked up this topic because I am feeling procrastinating last few months. That's why I picked this topic. And if you ever feel the same, so absolutely you are clicked the right video. And if you wanted to be interested to know those techniques and hacks which makes you more productive, so please continue watching this video till the end.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So let's get started with the hack number one is pomodoro technique. I know you have already heard this technique. This technique is a time management techniques that will help to improve your focus and productivity. So basically this technique said you have to 25-minute work. Firstly you have to work 25 minutes, then you have a break, 5-minute break. Okay, then you again 25-minute work, 5-minute break, 25-minute work, 5-minute break. 4 repetition. You get have a half an hour long break. Basically this technique is about the task breaking, 25 minute and the 5 minute. So FYI, there is a loads of app in the Play Store which is help to be this technique.
Technique number two, just break your work into a small task and chunk. So one of the enormous reason and we are not productive because things are overwhelmed and overloaded. So we have no idea how to do it and how to tackle for it. So we just quit the task. So I decided, why don't we use this technique? So basically I make the video because and it's become a hectic nowadays because my exam is going on. So I decided to use the technique. Then I divide my work into 4 tasks. Like task number one, I just write down the whole script of the video. Then task number two is just shoot my video, and task number third, I just edit my video, and the fourth and last one is just upload. And you can also use this technique which make your task easier and you become a more productive, right? Technique number third is track yourself or your doing hour. First and foremost thing, we need to be understand where we are spending our time, which activity we doing in the whole day. And this technique is just talk about just check, stop and change. You need to be track yourself and just improve it, check and improve. Technique number four, block your distraction. So just observe yourself, what is your distraction. For example, I'm talking about myself. So one and biggest distraction is my is Insta. So what I do, I just uninstall from my phone when my exam is coming near and I need to be do some productive things. So you can also do it same, but when I need it again, then I install again in my phone. And you can also do it. I don't know what's your distraction. Just observe and check and block it. It could be a Insta, it could be a FB, it could be a Snapchat and whatever. Dedicated workspace. If you want to achieve something in your life, so make sure you have a table and chair. Without table and chair, it is a very tough. And if you want, it is hard to be study on the bed. If you are do like that, you just invitation on your sleep. And so because if you want a more productive on your study and things, so you have make sure you have a you work on table and chair. And you are more concentrated on your work. Number 6, create a goal deadline. It is a very crucial to create a goal deadline because it's really kick you to be achieve your goal, and it is very helpful to in the future. Because if you create a little fear for your goal, that is okay, that is okay. So make sure it not could be a source of your source of frustration. So next technique is take a coffee nap. It is an extremely useful technique. So if you take a coffee nap during your study, it will be refresh your mood and boost your energy again, and it will be effective your study also. last not the least, if you ever feel like same with like me, without to-do list it is in a hard to be think in without planning. My mind goes in a relaxed mood and I didn't do as productive as I can do it. So it is an easier when I have a to-do list, like all the things are written down in a in a one piece of paper, and it will be helpful for the whole day, give in a directional way, and you didn't forget anything important, and you also prioritize your work, and you will be more productive with this way. And thank you to watching my video till the end, and I'll see you again in my next video. Till bye bye.